First, let's delve into the shiny world of resin art. This craft involves mixing and pouring resin into molds. Add your choice of pigments, and why not include some objects like flowers or glitter for an extra touch of magic? Watch as the resin hardens, revealing a glossy, mesmerizing piece that's sure to dazzle. Next, we have the timeless macrame plant hangers. Macrame, an art form that involves knotting rope into intricate patterns, has made a stylish comeback. You can create gorgeous plant hangers suited to various plant sizes. These make stunning additions to any home decor, and the final reveal in a chic interior setting is bound to be a hit. Now, onto the heartwarming craft of handmade greeting cards. There's something truly special about a personalized card. Crafting unique greeting cards for occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays allows you to share a piece of your heart with others. Giving viewers the tools to customize their own cards can inspire them to spread love and joy. Our fourth craft takes us into the realm of upcycled fashion. This is where creativity meets sustainability. Transforming old clothes or thrift store finds into fashionable pieces not only showcases your talent, but also emphasizes the importance of reusing and recycling. It's time to show the world that fashion doesn't have to cost the earth. Last but not least, we're exploring the fun-filled craft of polymer clay creations. The versatility of polymer clay allows for endless possibilities. Whether it's miniature sculptures, jewelry, or home decor pieces, this medium offers a range of options. Sharing your step-by-step process and tips for achieving professional results can inspire viewers to craft their own clay masterpieces. And there we have it, 5 viral craft ideas that are sure to inspire creativity and passion. Remember, crafting is all about self-expression and having fun. So get your craft supplies ready, embrace your artistic side, and create something truly beautiful. Don't forget to share your creations, answer queries, and foster a vibrant crafting community online. Happy crafting!